Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter What Makes Me Indian, and this chapter has been written by the Ruskin board. In the previous video we have to know the first part of the video, and we have to know very well about the feeling of the Ruskin bond, and it is the essay. And today we have to discuss the more thing about the chapter, and it is the second part of the class 8. Okay, so listen carefully and watch out the complete video. Wherever you have to getting any problem, then write the comment in the comment box. And next, so let's start the video. In the previous video we have to read up to bring me home. Okay, now next is the chapter tell us, it means the Ruskin bond tell us that, and whom was not parents and brothers and sister, they were no longer here, home for me was India. So everyone know that we have to call the family as a home. Okay, wherever many of the member include our family, just like a brother, sister, parents means father and mother. So all these members make a family, and we have to live in a house that called the home. Okay, but here is the Ruskin bond tell that here is the it is the not mean of the member of a family. Here is the means of the home. Okay, the home means the whole India, whole India. Okay, India is the home for the Ruskin bond. Okay, it is the broad thinking of the Ruskin bond, and he telling us about the whole country, whole India is a his home. Okay, so what it is that keep me here? By birth I take too closely after neurotic grandparents to pass for the typical son of the soil. People often ask me where I hail from. Then I said India. Okay, so in this paragraph the writer says that he is looking like a European person. Okay, he is not looks like a Indian person. Why? Because he has a European fair, tall and golden hair and blue eyed. Okay, it is the sign of the European person. So he did not looks like a Indian person. And his why? Because he is a tall person, and his hair is golden, and his eyes is blue. So he is not as a Indian. So many of the person asking him, and what is the reason of the become a European person? Because of his grandparents live in a foreign country. Foreign country means his father native, just like that, India or England. Okay, no, not India, England. Its father native. So he looks like a Nordic. Okay, and why? Because of his grandparents DNA, we can say that. And people often ask him where he belongs from. It means many of the person asking him about his resident, and he asking that in which place you, in which country you belongs. Then he always reply that he belongs from the India. Okay, but it is not a satisfied answer of the people. So people ask the question again. And what is the question again? But you didn't look like an Indian. Okay, he has a next. It means people ask next question to the Ruskin bond, and the Ruskin bond reply again. What is the answer of the question again? The I am red Indian. Okay, red Indian, you know very well that it is the man of the America, Native American. Okay, a Native American. So he next he tell that he belongs from the America, and the person who lived in America, they called red Indian. Okay, india is where India is where I was born and went to school and grew to manhood. The next Ruskin bond tell that he was born in India, and he also joined the Indian school and grew here as a manhood. Okay, as a manhood he grew here, And next, India was where my fathers was born. And you know very well that our country is slaves under the rule. Here the rules 200 years rules of the English means England. So I think his parents, grandparents also coming here India, and during the tour of the India, his parents have a child. So his father also take birth in India, and his father also joined the Indian school and work here, and after it some years he also dead here. Okay, so both are the person, it means Ruskin Bond and his father both are the person born here, it means born in India. Okay, and joined the school, his schooling time is spent here, schooled here. And he also, it means his father worked here and Ruskin Bond also work here. So same everything is that that it is the sure that the entitles me to a place in the India sun. Okay, and all these things make him as a Indian person. Okay, it is enough for him to saying that he is an Indian. And if it doesn't, I can relate to my mother's family and go back to the time of Tamur Lang. Relent means go back. So next he tell that if it is doesn't, it means all this will happen in India, just like he and his father also born here, they work here, but all these things is ignored by the Indian person. Then he also go back. Okay, go back to his mother's family. And this is the reason that they Ruskin Bond go back to mother's families and go back to the time of Taimur Lung. Okay, Taimur Lung is a person who attacked on India in 1938. Okay, rules who involved it India in 1398. Okay, so how far back does one have to go in order to establish one's Indianness? Okay, how far back does one have to go in order to establish one's Indianness? It means the Ruskin Bond tell that there are many many things. It must be the land itself that hold me, but so many of my fellow Indians have been born and reborn here, and yet they think nothing of leaving the land. Okay, it means it must be the land itself that hold me. Okay, Ruskin Bond saying here that he was connected by heart of this land, it means India, and so many of his fellow, it means Indians, have been born, it means they wanted to reborn here, reborn on the Indian land. And why? Because it uh, they think nothing of leaving the land. Why? Because they wanted to there is no reason to leave it here, is the a lot of the reason that he wanted to reborn here. Okay, so they will leave the mountain for the plains, and the village for the cities, and country for the another country. Okay, some of the person, they, it means his fellow, they are living the mountain area and going to the plain area, and some of the person living the village and they attend the city area, and they also many of the person, they left the one country and attend the other country. And if other countries were a little more willing to open their doors. Okay, many of the country did not want to any person of the other country will come in the in his country, in their country, and they earn money and send the money in another country. And many of the countries just like that, when you went into the when you are going to Pakistan, then many of the person of Pakistani did not want to live there, and such as, so they open a little more willing. Okay, they have a little more willing to open their doors. Open their doors means to calling you to enter their country. Okay, we would have no population problems, mass immigrations would have to solve it. Okay, but here is the rather than here is the another things in India. The Indian person or Indian government is not like such type of the things. They think not think such like thing. They have a any kind of the population, many of the population, so they solve the problem of the population. Okay, no here any problem of the population, and no any immigration. Immigration means when a person will left their proper place and went to the another place. So here is the no any reason to many of the person to come here India, just like that you can see in a previous day in a Bangladesh many of the Rohingya left the Bangladesh and enter in the India. So many of the people come here and take the make his home here and rest here. So India has a no any problem of the such type of the problem like other country. Okay, now next, but it more than the land that hold me. For India is more than a land. Okay, so here's the Ruskin Bond saying that, but it is more than the land that hold me. Okay, the India is not only a land. Okay, India is not only a land. For the Ruskin Bond, he think about more of the of this country, just like that many of the Indian people many of the Indian people saying that the it is not a land, it is not land, it is a motherland. Okay, the person of the Indian saying the land of the India is called motherland. Okay, and they also worshipping of the Indian land, the Indian people, and such as the Russian people also think that it is not only a land for him. They also think and like it more than of the a little land. And for India is more than a land. India is an atmosphere. Over thousands of years the races and the religions of the world have. Okay, it means many of the person, many of the foreigner come here to attack on the India and making living here and sharing his cultures and many of the things. So this is not a day, it is not a creation of a day, it is the take long time. We can say that it is the take thousand of the time to make the creation. Okay, make of the creation, just creation of the races and religions. Okay, so this is only one country in the world that have a lot of the religion and races, and it not took a time or a moment. Okay, so it takes a long time to make the research of the Indian and religion. It is, we can say that it is the mingled here and produce that unique. Okay, you know very well that in the India there is a lot of the religious and races lived here, and it is not a day will create. And in the beginning the Unani will come in India, and after that the Turkish and Afghanistanis etc. the many people come here, and after that the Mughals also Islam also come here, and then the English person is come here. So it make a long time, and many of the religious and races come here and also attend the Indian land, and they live here a long time. And nowadays it is the mixer mingled means we can say it is the mixer of the people here, and it pursued that unique. It is the unique thing. No one any country in the world that have a such type of the a lot of the many races include in the many races and the many religions in any country. Only one is here country that name was the India, and here is the a lot of the religions, just like that Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Christian etc. the many religious live here, and they spend his time, spend his life, a lot of the life, and his also new generation, his next generation also spend here. They wanted to live here. It is a unique, it make a unique things. Okay, you know very well that that some of the person just like that uh, some of the person just like that Hindu, Muslim and Sikh, Isai, but all the person will gathering in a choraha and talking about any matter, and here is no issue of the religious and other things. Okay, so it makes the India as a unique, indefinable phenomenon, the Indian so terrifying in a crowd, so beautiful in himself. Okay, so here is the indefinable phenomenon means accident, the Indian and so terrifying in a crowd. Okay, here is the a lot of the crowd, here a lot of the gathered in India, but here that is the looks like a terrifying, but all of things make it a beautiful. Okay, and so beautiful in himself. Okay, so all these things may make the beautiful for the Ruskin bond. That's clear. Now next, and oddly enough I am one too. Okay, one too. I know that I am as an Indian as the postman or the panwala or your favorite movie stars. Okay, so here the Ruski bond also say that such type of the peoples, it means there are the many peoples who will come from the foreign country and living here, and as well as Ruski bond is one of the person that also live in the country such like a foreigner, and he know very well that he is as Indian as a postman or a the panwala or a your favorite movie star. Okay, it has the feeling of the Ruskin mode telling us that when the many of the person asking him where you belongs from, then this question is very problematic for him, and he became feel shame. And but here is the one things he represent, that just like that many of the person, just like that a common person, we can say that a common person like a postman of the Indian panwala, and any person like your star, a favorite star, so as the Ruskin body, so as nothing different from the Indian people, he is similar like a Indian people, and race did not make me an Indian, but history did, and in the long run it's history that count. Okay, and in the last line the Ruskin bond tell us that race did not make me an Indian. Race means uh, he is a netroid. Okay, he is a as a Nordic means you know very well, he looks like not Indian, and it make him different. So he his race means we can say that his body structure is not looks like a Indian, but history did. Okay, but history did means he also in the history in the next period of the time, when the time will spend, then many of the person telling about the Ruskin bond, he is like a Indian, and in the long run it's history the count, and in the long run it means after a many time when the time will spend, and the new generation of the India, it means the next generation, next and next, we can say that after many generation of India, the people will identify that the Ruskin bond is as an Indian people who lived in India, and by heart he is by deep heart he was an Indian. Okay, so I think you know very well, you understand this chapter very well, so we have to meet in the next video. So thank you for the watching video.